Coming up next!
It's iCarly.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Hi everyone! Princess Lifelight here, and welcome back to my channel.
Gotcha! Mika!
Call me Coco. I am the mermaid princess of the South Pacific Ocean.
My name is Karen. I am the mermaid princess of the Antarctic Ocean. My name is Noelle, and I am the mermaid princess of the Arctic Ocean. I am the pretty guardian who fights for love and for courage. I am Sailor Jupiter. I'll fill you regret. It'll leave you numb. My name is Sarasa. I am Ichi's sister. Hey, don't forget about me. I'm Roka, and I am Sarasa's sister-in-law.
My name is Kisasoma. The animal in the zodiac that I symbolize is the sun.
Call me Hirosoma. The animal that symbolizes the zodiac is the sheep, and that is me.
A fine pleasure to meet you.
My name is Totoko.
My name is Amukinamori. I can transform into Amulet Heart, Amulet Spade, Amulet Clover, Amulet Diamond, Amulet Angel, Amulet Devil, and Amulet Fortune. Hello, my name is Ludia. I can transform into Iris Heart.
My name is Vert. I can transform into Green Heart. I am Nico Robin, a treasure hunter. Pleasure to meet you.
My name is Kaylee.
I am Ochako Uraka.
Let's go! Hey! Nice to meet you!
Call me Nejire Haro.
I am Ikuta Kendo. Pleasure to meet you. What's up, a Black Star? I'm Nozomi.
Pleasure to meet you. I am the head of the Furude family. Rika Furude.
I am Kaname Chidori. It's a pleasure.
My name is Hestia. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hi there, I'm Machi. Nice to meet you. I am called Rola. Be grateful, I'm not giving you any punishment.
I am Lapusel. Pleased to meet you.
You can call me Sister Nana. Nice to meet you.
My name is Snow White. Pleasure to meet you.
About us, I'm Nikisa 1. And I'm Nikisa 2. Gordo? My name is Hikaru Shido. I represent the element of fire.
My name is Fuhochi, and I represent the element of wind.
I'm Umi Ryuzaki, and I represent the element of water.
Hi, I'm Happy. I'm an exceed from Italia, and a member of the Fairy Tale Guild.
Good day, I'm Carla. I am an exceed as well. And we are also in the Fairy Tale Guild.
Hey there, I'm Wendy Marble. I'm a Sky Dragon Slayer.
My name is Romeo Combo. I'm the only son of Fairy Tale's mage, Macau Combo. And I'm a mage of the Fairy Tale Guild.
I'm Hannah Kosho. I am the mermaid princess of the South Atlantic Ocean.
Glad to meet you. I'm Rina Lloyd, and I am the princess of the North Atlantic Ocean.
Hiya, I'm Manatsu. It's a pleasure. Hi, I'm Anne. Nice to meet you. Call me Pony Simotori. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Zenki.
I'll reintroduce myself. I am Xiaomei. I am the narrator of the story you're hearing.
Anna! I'm down!
Hey, I'm Julia. Pleasure to meet you.
And I'm Euphrates. And I'm Ayu Tsukimiya. Nice to meet you. My name is Kai. And this is my friend Taro. Anna! And you too! My name is Kaname. Pleasure to meet you. Oh, promise my best on my violin. I am Yukino. Nice to meet you. I am Pikachu Popstar. My songs will reach out to all of you. Pikachu PhD is in the house. Prescription knockout. Hi, I'm Rena Ryugu. You look so cute. I want to take you home with me. I am called Alpha 5. It is a great pleasure to make your acquaintance. They also call me Tiger.
Nice to meet you. I am Calorie. Please don't upset me.
Papa Sakura here. Nice to meet you.
I'm Celesta. Nice to meet you. I am Melissa Shield. Please make your acquaintance.
And I am Jasmine, leader of the All Light City Gym. Pleased to meet you.
I'm Reiki Nishimura, a sophomore going for my BS. My mineralogy club meets next door. So hi there, neighbor. You heard that? Oh, I'm so embarrassed.
Hey there, I'm Haru Kagakure.
lose the beat! This party's about to go crazy! With the pulsating power of a driving disco rhythm comes the queen of the boogie beat! I like to trivia summon Tired Ito, the boogie master!
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly. Hi everyone, it's Kimberly. Hi, I'm Jasmine, a cheerleader. Hi, I'm Princess Tachi Kawa. And I'm Coraline.
Hey everyone, this is Overwatch Phoenix. That's Marino!
So let's get the show on the road.
Hey!
Shake well. Okay, we are going to spray. Here we go.
Good. Okay, I'm ready to go now.
In our previous episode, we all spoke about Missy's potential return following her 6-month school at sea cruise trip, which turned out to be a cargo ship. And now we're all going to explain who Melissa Robinson is. Who is Melissa Missy Robinson? Melissa Missy Robinson is Carly's now estranged ex-BFF. Missy adores Carly but loves Sam and plots several ways to get Sam out of Carly's life to remain Carly's only best friend. Based on her behavior, she shares similar actions to Valerie, Freddie's girlfriend in I Will Date Freddie. Missy never made another appearance in the series after waiting a 6-month cruise. She is portrayed by Haley Ramm Who, and Missy is shown to be nice at first, but is later revealed to be a mean girl as she loves torturing Sam instead of being nice to her. Missy met Carly when their families were stationed at the same naval base at Seal Beach. They eventually grew apart when Missy left Seattle. When she was little, she used to get seasick, but she got over it in her teenage years. When Missy returned to Seattle in the episode iReunite with Missy, she caused a rift to develop within Carly and Sam's friendship. Sam notices that Missy intentionally gives her a fake address that leads her to a factory that makes piñatas, with no candy inside of them, much to her dismay, instead of to the skydiving port. Then again in the episode drops her phone in Wahoo Punch, and she gave Sam a chocolate, but it was expired in the Fresh Prince's time. Carly believes that all these events were coincidences, refusing to think that Missy would ever hurt her friend, and convinced Sam that she was just being paranoid and thought that Sam was probably jealous. Carly tried to play peacemaker and called them all together a groovy smoothie to settle the differences. But Missy and Sam apologized to each other, but once Carly left to buy smoothies, Missy showed her true colors and admits that Sam was right. She was trying to sabotage Sam and Carly's friendship so that she could be Carly's only best friend.
Oh, shut up.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
Freddie won a contest for the 6-month school at sea program, and a few minutes later, he gave the trip away to Missy so she could stop interfering with Sam and Carly's relationship. So he was trying to protect iCarly to the excitement of being on this cruise. Missy gloated about this to Sam, saying that it's no longer necessary to be Carly's best friend. However, Carly walked up behind her when she said this and realized that Sam was telling the truth. Carly stated that Sam is her only best friend, and Missy told the girls to enjoy each other while she goes on her trip. Carly reveals to Freddie that Missy really used to get really seasick when they were little kids and assumes that they don't anymore since she got older. But eventually...
Whatever. You two enjoy each other. I'm going on a cruise!
Eventually,
Let me off this stupid
The end scene shows that Missy still is indeed seasick, and the ocean liner she's on turns out to be a cargo ship. Nice job, everyone, but Chibiusa actually has a question to say.
Where's Tacoma?
Dude, how do you feel?
Clean up on aisle 3! Clean up on aisle 3!
Thank you so much. You're being a huge help here. Keep up the good work, and you too, soldiers.
Get back to work!
Once again, things that could have been brought to my attention yesterday.
We apologize for that. Anyway, a lot of you are asking, what is the School at Sea trip? Well, it's a study abroad program for students mentioned in the Season 2 episode iReunite with Missy. And this was a special contest being held at Ridgeway, which would ultimately determine who won the trip. Actually, Freddie was the one who technically won the competition, but chose to give it to Carly's former best friend Missy. When questioned on it by Carly, Freddie claims that he was doing it to protect their wet show. But Carly figures that the real reason he did it was to protect the trio's friendship. Particularly Sam and Carly's friendship, since Sam was miserable when Missy kept trying to get rid of her as Carly's best friend, and Carly was being tricked and manipulated by Missy, who used to suffer from seasickness. But given how excited Missy was about winning the School at Sea contest, Carly and Freddie both figure out that she must have overcome her seasickness as she got older as a teenager. However, even with Missy out of the picture, it ultimately turns out to be a very good thing that Freddie gave up his chance for the School at Sea program, because it turns out the trip is not nearly as glamorous as it's advertised to be. For example, instead of taking place on some high-end luxury cruise liner, like what was advertised on the Ridgeway High School sign-up sheet, the program actually takes place on what appears to be a freighter or a cargo ship. Also, in a nice bit of ironic karma, the end of the episode shows that despite Missy being generally excited about winning the School at Sea contest and Carly's assumption that her ex-BFF overcoming her seasickness, Missy does still suffer from her seasickness pretty intensely at that. So, Freddie not only sacrifices an experience he really wouldn't have wanted, but he also ends up punishing Missy appropriately, as the episode ultimately ends with her throwing up over the side of the ships and screaming this:
Let me off this stupid boat before
She never even got a chance to finish her sentence as she starts throwing up once again.
Did you know that?
Haley Ramm and Miranda Cosgrove acted in the movie Yours, Mine, and Ours together, hinting at when the two actors first met. And Haley and Miranda are best friends in real life to this day. Missy shows similar traits to Rebecca in Zoe 101. The main plot for this episode is similar to that of the Zoe 101 episode Son of a Dean, in which Zoe's roommates accuse Zoe's boyfriend Lance of bringing a raffle so they could go to a movie premiere together. The yellow purse that Missy carries around is exactly the same purse Sam carries around, and I make Sam girlier. In the fun facts for iReunite with Missy, Dad Snyder remarked that day he would get around to asking the person who does the set dressing why are there 2 pop bottles of lotion on top of the microwave in Carly and Spencer's kitchen. From this episode onward, the spoon that Sam steals from Missy is now purple. And YouTuber and Super Smash Brother Dave Gumballa did say in his wish list that Piper Picks TV would interview Haley about returning to iCarly 2021 for an iReunite with Missy too.
Now you know!
But now we all know that Missy, who actually got back from her trip and has been hiding, plotting a revenge on Carly and Freddie, but with Sam out of the picture on her bike trip. Since the Sam and Cat show is non-canon thanks to Mr. Schneider, the episode will be several mentions to the characters since Paramount has archived footage and masters. We really hope that Missy does come back. We wish Haley Ramm the best of luck.
Let this be a lesson for you.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. What do you think? If you appreciate it, please be sure to super smash that like button. And be sure to follow my social media platforms in the description below and Team Lifelight's fandom channels. Please be sure to leave a comment below and please give us your open-minded thoughts. Because we here at Team Lifelight's fandoms do not condone harassment, violence, or trolls allowed, or otherwise, Red Hoick from Comedy Central's The Ren and Stimpy Show will haunt you down till the ends of the Shadow Realm. Please be sure to subscribe to our videos and click the notification bell. You'll never miss a video the second it goes live on YouTube and Google. With that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye!
Ooh.